Oakleaf hydrangeas, Hydrangea quercifolia, are beautiful deciduous shrubs known for their distinctive oak-like leaves and cone-shaped flower clusters. They are native to the southeastern United States and are prized for their ornamental value in gardens and landscapes. Here's how to grow and care for oakleaf hydrangeas. 1. Planting. Choose a planting location that receives partial to full sunlight. Morning sun with afternoon shade is ideal, especially in hotter regions. Ensure well-draining soil that retains moisture. Oakleaf hydrangeas prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH around 5.5 to 6.5. Dig a hole that's slightly larger than the root ball of the plant. Plant at the same depth as it was in the nursery pot. 2. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the first growing season. Adequate water is crucial for the establishment of the plant. Use a layer of mulch around the base of the shrub to help retain soil moisture and regulate temperature. 3. Pruning. Minimal pruning is usually required. Oakleaf hydrangeas bloom on old wood, so avoid heavy pruning in late summer or fall, as it can remove potential flower buds. If necessary, prune immediately after flowering in summer by removing dead or weak branches and shaping the shrub. 4. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in spring, just as new growth begins. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application rates. Avoid excessive use of high nitrogen fertilizers, as they can encourage excessive leaf growth at the expense of flowers. 5. Flowering. Oakleaf hydrangeas produce large, cone-shaped flower clusters that start off white and turn pink as they mature. The flowers can last for several weeks. Pruning at the wrong time can impact flowering, so be cautious about when you trim the shrub. 6. Winter care. Oakleaf hydrangeas are generally cold-hardy, but providing a layer of mulch around the base of the plant can help protect the roots during colder months. 7. Pests and diseases. These hydrangeas are relatively resistant to pests and diseases. However, keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids or mites, and treat them promptly if necessary. 8. Transplanting. If you need to transplant an oakleaf hydrangea, do so in early spring before new growth begins. Be sure to dig a wide root ball to minimize root disturbance. 9. Propagation. Oakleaf hydrangeas can be propagated through softwood cuttings taken in early summer or by dividing established plants in spring. 10. Fall color. One of the unique features of oakleaf hydrangeas is their stunning fall foliage. The leaves turn shades of red, orange, and purple, adding to their visual appeal. Overall, oakleaf hydrangeas are relatively low-maintenance plants that can add beauty and interest to your landscape. By providing them with the right growing conditions and minimal care, you can enjoy their gorgeous flowers and foliage for years to come.